Yo, what's good? It's Nav, and today I'm bringing y'all another Warzone 2 video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the last Warzone 2 video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Warzone 2, I have a lot of mixed emotions about it, but I think it has a good core. It could be a really good game. They just need to do a couple changes, and I think it could be really good. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.
What did you say, bro?
Your squad mate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
Yo, guys, right here, at the roof right here. Oh my God.
Because Joey like talking about the kid and how please.
There's that bitch ass nigga. I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid. I'm just a kid. Please, I'm just a kid, man. Please, damn. There's somebody right here.
I'm lagging, by the way. What the fuck is wrong with this server? On me, pushing me.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Yeah, on me, pushing me. Two guys.
Nav, he's coming behind you.
Two guys, pushing me right now.
No, I
Your squad mate is in the gulag now. If they survive, they redeploy.
I don't know.
No, behind, right here, Mark. Like,
Your squad mate was
yeah, me too.
That's that gotcha.
Okay, side from behind.
Where are you at?
Yeah, you guys have any weapons?
No.
hostile dropping. Loadout drop on the way. Be in the area. Gas is inbound. The gas is starting to split. Stay sharp down there. Hit!
God damn, where's everybody at?
Move to the safe zone.
In this building. Moving here. I'm under.
Throwing a stun grenade!
I got proximite. I got. Okay.
Drop one.
Out of the air, but I failed.
On the area. Effective fire!
Smart. There's a guy under
Drop
me.
their sniper!
Cabinet as well. I see a guy up there. Nice. He's gonna have to rotate a little bit more. That guy.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Ooh, okay.
Safe zone now. You've made it to the top 5.
Nice.
Good work.
I'm stimming. I'm in gas.
It's all up to you now.
Uphill. It's a girl. She's pushing down. Behind you. I think I heard them push.
Amateur shit! You've got gas inbound.